Problem is, I've used it loads and changed the chain. It's cutting great, but it just doesn't seem to ever use oil. So I'm thinking that the oil way in here is blocked. So I'm going to have a look at that. I did check that there was plenty of oil in there, and ever since I've had the chainsaw, I've never been able to see any difference in that viewing slot there for the oil level. So I just open up the cap every now and again after so many uses and check. But you can see it in the bulb there. I'm going to squeeze this bulb to see if... Oh, there. So it is working. I've cleaned it off, and just looking closely, actually inside there you might be able to see is like a soft rubber tube. So I don't want to damage that. And as oil is coming out, I'm just going to give it a squirt with WD-40 and pump it and just see if any dirt or anything comes out. I've squirted some WD in there and pumped it a couple of times with this bulb, and it's coming out nicely now. There we go, look at that, nice flow. So that's the battery back in, and I've run it a few times, and I can actually see oil even at the end there. Can you see that? That's pretty good. So I'll just make sure when I use it in future, I'll press this bulb quite a few times. So I hope that's helpful, and bye for now.